not true that I'm multitasking. Multitasking hurts the brain. But if you attend to different things, one at a time, you're not multitasking. You are multi-hyphenating. So pag sabay-sabay mong ginagawa, halimbawa si boyfriend A, B, C, D, multitasking ang tawag doon. Pero pag ginawa mo na, boyfriend A, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, boyfriend B. Friday, Saturday, ang tawag doon, multi-hyphenating. And bordering adultery. Okay? That's a multi-hyphenate. So, why are multi-hyphenates interesting to study? So, just to let you know, in the Oxford Dictionary, it's already a term in 2016. And you know, as a corpus linguist or a practicing corpus analyst, I always look at the new words because Oxford accommodates new words every year. Woke, for example, was a word that was accommodated in the English lexicon via Oxford in 2016 also. So, it's a noun which refers to a person with a hyphenated profession. Turn to your seatmate. Aside from being a teacher or teacher educator, what else do you do? Do we have a drug pusher here? An entrepreneur. A teacher, entrepreneur. Yan, si Ma'am Angie. What do you do? What's the business? Oh, there you go. Physics educator, teacher, educator, who has a business in electronics. Good. Because that's your passion, right?
Yes.
Sige, tanong yung katabi nyo, ano pang pinagkakabalahan mo? Aside from Tocino and Longganisa. Aside from Avon. And in the olden days, aside from Tupperware. Uy, wala na si Tupperware. Nag-declare ng bankruptcy. Oo, sayang, no? Yan. So, singer-songwriter, and so on and so forth. So, the original multi-hyphenates are creatives.
Yes.
They're creative people. And you'll find out, for example, si Ding Dong Dantes used to be a model, underwear model at that, then became an artist, now he's a director and producer. There's only one thing that he really can't do, sing. Meanwhile, there are artists who can do several things, cannot dance. Right? So, when you multi-hyphenate, you are actually, in the definition of Emma Gannon, who introduced the term, you are working less because you love what you're doing, but you are creating more value, and you are designing a life that works for you. Honestly, I can't imagine myself doing something else. I am first and foremost a teacher, but when someone asks me, hey, can you do this training? By all means. Hey, can you do this research for us? By all means. Hey, we need a performer during the training program. Can you do it? Of course. And I never get tired because my multi-hyphen life is really working well for me. So do not be surprised when you ask a kid, what do you want to be when you grow up? Oh, I want to be an artist, a model, a singer, and a dancer. Oh, good for you. Never tell the child, anak, isa lang. Because that's one of the first developmental mistakes for growing the multi-hyphenates. To tell them, hanggang dito ka lang.
Yes.
The limits of human potential, you don't have it. That's not true. We are a limitless potential in terms of speciation. Nakakapag-isip tayo, nakakapag-process ng emotions. Yung dog, feeling nyo may emotion kasi attached sa inyo. Hindi attached sila sa pagkain na binibigay nyo. That's why they give you attention. Right? So, huwag nyo isipin, oh, emotionally intelligent yung aso ko. Well, kinda.